How to delete a Gmail account permanently? Go to the profile icon of Google account. Under that, click on Manage your Google account. At the left corner, you can see the option called as Data and Privacy. Click on that. Scroll down. Under your Data and Privacy option, you can see more options. Click on that. Now you can see here, delete your Gmail account. Click on it. Once you're done with that, it will redirect to the another page to verify whether it's you. So give your password. Once you're done with your password, it will ask you to download your data if in need. If it is not needed, then you can scroll down and you can see all the conversation in the Gmail will be get deleted. Acknowledge it. And yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Click on delete account. Now, if you want to recover the account, there is an option to recover and you can also get all the data back.